how to log out of Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can log out Facebook application. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Well, in order to basically log out of your Facebook app, all you need to do is just open the Facebook app, and then as you can see currently, I am basically logged into my account. And if I would like to log out, what I need to do is I just need to tap the menu icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Sometimes it may look like a profile icon as well. And then if you're on Android, you need to scroll down, whether you're on iOS or Android. Then at the very bottom right under settings and privacy, you will definitely find the option called Logout. All you need to do is just tap on the logout button. It will ask you for a confirmation, so just tap on the logout of your account button. So just tap on logout, and as you've done that, you'll be successfully logged out of your Facebook account. Now if you want though, you can log into some other account or log into the same account if you've saved the credentials. And hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.